YouTube, what's the word? Let's get it. It's Saturday, Superstars at Territory Saturday, and we in the trenches. And then today I want to do a tutorial on how to buy XRP meme coins. You see the hype behind XRP, right? It's crazy hype. Sometimes I be like, I can't figure out the hype, but I like meme coins. The meme coin scene has quieted down a lot on XRP. I'm starting to see a lot of chads, a lot of big names on crypto Twitter go into that ecosystem and start to pick up on some memes. I know it's a learning curve, but I'm here to help you out with that today. So we're gonna be doing a tutorial, a how to buy XRP meme coins. And I'm gonna buy an XRP meme coin today in the video in real time just to help you guys out. So if you like these type of tutorials, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithm. Let's get into this XRP tutorial. So the cool thing about the X page is that they have a tutorial on pretty much how to use this first ledger. So you're gonna have to set up your first ledger, right? You're gonna have to go into Telegram. So if you don't got a Telegram, you have to make sure you create a Telegram, and also you're gonna have to fund that account through a centralized exchange. So you can fund the account through Coinbase, crypto.com. I use crypto.com. Salute to the Crow fam. And you're just going to swing over here to the website and open the TG bot. I already have it open up for you guys. And again, always make sure you're going on the official XPay's first ledger, because there's a lot of scams out there, guys. So you want to make sure you're clicking on the right stuff. Always double check. You can see that they got a whole bunch of people that I'm following, including Virtual Bacon. So you can see people are looking into these XRP memes, right? And they've been doing spaces, kind of like getting that degency and that euphoria around XRP, which is pretty good because XRP has a huge community. A lot of people really like what XRP is building as far as institutional, but this is a gateway that's going to allow retail to get into the XRP ecosystem. So I think it's pretty cool. I think right now, while memes and these community tokens are quiet, this is the time to start your research, guys. And again, I'm gonna buy a XRP meme coin for you guys in live time. So let's swing over here to the Telegram. You can see once you click on the website, you'll be able to head over here to the Telegram. This is the first ledger bot. This is where you're going to come to create your wallet. Now, I already created a bogus wallet here. I don't have like nothing in it, probably like 25 bucks, but just for the sake of the video, you can see here, you can open the wallet. They let you kind of like see what's in your wallet. You open the wallet, first ledger bot. I got 11 XRP in here. You can name your wallet. You can pretty much do anything, right? So how you receive your XRP, right, is you go to receive, right? You copy the receive address. You head into your exchange, and whatever you want to purchase as far as your XRP, you want to purchase $100, $1,000, 10,000, whatever you want to do, you purchase that, and you send that through your exchange, right? If you ever sent through your exchange, you're going to have to copy this, and you're going to have to create you a portal where you can actually send your funds, your XRP funds from the exchange and fund this account. So once you fund this account, it's very simple. You can go to Coinbase, you can go to crypto.com. You just send XRP exactly to the wallet that you create. Now, once you create that wallet, you want to get into the degency. You want to get into the trading of meme coins. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here to open portal. All right, we're going to open the portal. All right, actually here, see if I could actually find it. Bam. All right, so we open the portal and we're going to look for meme coins. Now, the meme coin that I'm going to purchase today is Lihua, right? Lihua, salute to the Lihua team. They are sponsoring this video, so this is sponsor content, guys. And again, I never take team tokens or anything of that sort. I wanted to do a tutorial anyway on XRP memes. This just made it easier where I can actually buy an XRP meme in front of you guys so you guys can see, right? But today we'll be purchasing Lihua. Pretty decent meme coin. A lot of people are talking about this on crypto Twitter. Wait for pullback if this is something that you're interested in. It's sitting at a $19 million market cap, and it has some pretty big names behind this project. Pretty big names behind this project, right? I will be giving you guys an update on this project at least 2 more updates on this project so I can so we can stay in the know about what's really going on. But this is more so a tutorial video, but it made sense, right? I can pretty much buy this token right in front of you guys, and you can see how to buy XRP meme coin. So for the sake of the video, always wait for pullback. This thing has went crazy. I am just buying for an example, but guys, wait for pullback. You can see we have our golden pocket between 4 million and 8 million, and this token would have to build some structure, right? The crazy thing is, when I was doing research on this token, I was waiting for it to pull back, but it never pulled back. So you kind of gotta have patience, and you gotta let the market come to you. What goes up must come down. So always pick your spots within your initial entries. This is a XRP meme token that's aiming to be one of the cults that they're building on XRP, and it's crazy, right? Because they don't post a lot. But if you swing over here to Dex tools, and this is a great tool to use, guys. You just go to search on Twitter and you search the ticker, right? And you want to see the people that's talking about the ticker, right? Are they do they have a big name, right? Because now you'll be able to engage and kind of garner with that social engagement, right? So you can see the Soul Tis. This guy has a account with 165,000 followers. He's also shilling Lihua here. He shielded about 4 hours ago. Pretty big names on this project that's shilling it, right? 7,000 followers. So a lot of people are not talking about XRP memes, but the funny thing is, a lot of people are talking about this specific XRP meme, right? And it's also a year of the dragon themed meme coin, right? Born in the year of the dragon, Lihua is here to usher in a new age of prosperity, less of a meme coin and more of a currency with its cute cat mascot. The Lihua is here to flip USD, ambitious but not impossible. So there's a catalyst and a goal that they're working to achieve, and they even have a very limited supply. So it says launch with 21 trillion supply in December. The current M2 money supply built to outlast inflating USD. The thesis is simple. So let's actually go read this. Your dollar inflates forever and trends towards becoming worthless. The Lihua counteracts that process and ultimately defeats this. So this is a meme coin that's building a narrative about being a hedge to inflation. So definitely go check this out. Salute to the Lihua team, guys. If you want me to do a full review and backstory of this project, let me know. It's sitting at a $19 million market cap. It's bringing in $1.2 million in volume on XRP, right? This is crazy. This is crazy, right? So you don't really see a lot of this type of volume on an XRP meme coin, and I think it is because a lot of people are talking about it, right? And it's less jeets over there on XRP. So because the liquidity is so low, this could move fast. The same could be said for if people start to sell off, right? So always with these new chains that's doing this meme coin stuff, you always want to swing over and kind of check out the on-chain analysis. It's hard to do it with something like XRP because it's new, right? That you can't use all the tools that we use for Solana, ETH, and base meme coins. So you really got to do some research and do some deep diving. Let's go into actually purchasing the meme coin. So we're going to swing over here to the first ledger bot. Going to open back up that portal here, and let's buy Lihua, right? So we're going to buy 11 of them. Right, and that's going to be 28 million Lihua purchase. All right, and it says I don't have enough funds to do the order. So let's, I don't know how much they charging, or maybe I'm not connected. All right, so yeah, the fees must be nice over there, guys. If you do XRP memes, let me know what you think about the fees. Let me see if I can't even get 10 of them. I got to get 9 of them. All right, so we're just gonna get 9 of them, guys. Not sure why the fees is so high over there, but we're going to get 23 million Lihua, right? And then we're going to just let this chill and sit and kind of like watch it, right? And then again, normally I would wait for pullback, but I'm doing a tutorial. So we got the first ledger bot pulled up here. We're going to confirm. We got our XRP. We funded our meme coin account here, and we're going to confirm. Alrighty, let's see how long XRP ledger actually takes. Right, you know Solana be going kind of fast. I ain't gonna cap. Solana be going kind of fast. This remind me of when I was doing it. Okay, the XR, what's it? The meme coins on TRX. All right, so we got our XRP. So excuse me, we bought our Lihua with our XRP. Let's go to our wallet. All right, and it says my total balance is 3.54 XRP, and my available balance is 2.34 XRP. So there should be a way that I actually can see what's actually in the wallet here. So let's see if we can actually find that out. Let's refresh this. Okay, we refreshed it, closed, wallet positions. All right, so if you hit positions, it actually shows you, right? It shows you the position that you're in, right? So when you create this, your account, guys, make sure you write down your private keys. Don't copy them. Don't do none of that. Just write it down. Write down your private keys and store them somewhere. That's how you buy XRP meme coins, guys. It's really just that easy. I wanted to give you guys a pretty straight to the point breakdown. Salute to the Lihua team, guys. Make sure you go check out the crypto project Lihua, right? Big people behind it. I'll continue to give you guys updates on it. It's sitting at a $20 million market right now. It's up 133% on the 24-hour. Again, it's not a lot of people playing over there, so there's opportunity because of the low liquidity, right? So if a lot of people do come playing over there and we see meme coins start to heat up, as we've seen on Sui, we've seen how fast Sui agents are starting to pop off, how Sui memes are starting to pop off. Who's to say that they don't start building XRP AI agents or XRP utility projects? So right now, you want to know how to use these ecosystems, and this was a quick video on how to buy XRP meme coins. They'll probably have AI agents and utility tokens over there as well, so always go do your research. And again, check out the Lihua meme coin. This was our first meme coin we bought on XRP, guys. Let me know what you think. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.